them back to run the show. Cause what they did, they know was wrong. And all the nasty things you've done. So baby, listen carefully while I sing my...
Geneva Banks, the thick expat, that bougie black girl. So I just wanted to go ahead and drop a little video of me microchipping my girls and give you all some feedback as black expats. If you have pets and you're looking to take them with you, the steps you need to take. I would suggest starting at least 30 days prior to your departure. I thought I would have time waiting until the month before to go ahead and get things done. However, I live in Las Vegas, and when I say getting vaccination appointments was insane, some of them were booked out months, weeks. The first one I found wasn't available until the 3rd. Luckily, I did find one that's available tomorrow, so my girls are getting their vaccinations tomorrow. After you get your vaccinations, you're going to want to submit for your permit. You have to get a permit depending on where you're going to. I believe it may be every place, but it's dependent upon where you're traveling. Go ahead and Google or chat GPT to figure out what you need. You have to have your vaccinations in order to get your permit. Once I get my vaccinations tomorrow, I will submit all their information to get their permit. They also have to be microchipped. I microchipped my girls myself because every place was changing. $45, $65, $85. I got 2 microchips in the needles on Amazon for $8 and some change, and I was able to do it myself, as you see in this video. And it will be leaked in my Amazon storefront, so you can go ahead and get yours. They have different options if you have more than 2 animals. But yeah, it's super easy. They feel it, but it doesn't hurt them. I only had to redo Freya because she does move a lot. You want to make sure that you get it up under the skin. So in order to get a permit, you have to have your dogs microchipped, or your cats, rabbits, whatever it is. And then you also have to have their vaccinations. You will submit for your permit. You'll get a turnaround within 7 business days. And then you submit for your health certificate. You cannot submit for your health certificate until you get your permit. So I am going to be pushed back a little while because there was a lapse in their vaccinations. They have to have their vaccinations for 21 days. So if you plan on traveling, try not to have a lapse. If you do, start everything with your pets at least 30 days in advance and you'll be good to go. We will be leaving maybe the 2nd week of October. So yeah, these are lessons learned. I told you guys I was going to document the whole process so that you can learn from me. And this is something that is taking the longest, honestly. I got my stuff in storage. I'm packing up what I'm wanting to take with me. But the longest and hardest part, honestly, is getting my girls situated. I mean, even my passport was back within 5 business days. So yeah, start early for your dogs. My babies are my children. They're coming with me everywhere, and I love them down.